have a little mouse that lights up and squeaks? You like that? Is that your new toy? See? When you hit it, it lights up. Yeah! Did you just say meow? Meow? Mika? Mika, where are you? Why are you hiding behind me? Where's your new mouse? There's your new mouse that lights up. There you go. There you go. Is that a great one? You like that toy, Mika? You'd rather play with the phone? Yeah, that's right. There you go. Mika, here's your little mouse. Okay. You got a very short attention span. You want the phone, okay.